to the Microsoft Whiteboard. Let's talk about some extra options. There's always going to be that one little hidden menu and you don't know what you don't know. So the Microsoft Whiteboard is no different. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take my finger and I'm just going to do a press and hold. Again, that's like the same thing as doing a right click with a mouse. But if I press and hold my whiteboard, you can see this additional option does come up where I can add a post-it note, a text box. I can paste something that I have copied, or if I wanted to, I could actually clear my entire canvas. We have been working with the same whiteboard through this series of videos. What I'm going to do to show you that is actually down on the bottom, I'm going to show expand full whiteboard. If I tap this, the bottom right icon, you can see everything that I've been doing, just kind of right over in a line because I'm just sliding it over. But what that does is it actually brings everything that you've done on one whiteboard into a single view. So you, do not have to scroll around and do all of those different types of things. You can see that that's very small. So I do recommend, add additional pages for new thoughts if you're switching something up, or from one meeting to the next, you can start a new whiteboard, but please know you have that option. If I wanted to go ahead and clear this canvas, again, all I need to do is my press and hold, hit clear canvas. You will get a confirmation. So you're not going to be able to do this one just kind of willy-nilly by mistake. I can go ahead and confirm. And now everything that I had is now gone. I do like to point out, however, if you look down here on the bottom, we still are at 6% zoom out. So I'm going to want to bring this back in closer to where I would start around 100% or so. So just know that. Really, really great. Very handy. Lots of features, lots of functions. Stay tuned for our next video about adding additional whiteboards and accessing whiteboards from your library. Take care.